Imagine this, you're applying for a job, but the employer asks, "What experience do you have?" You freeze, you've never worked before, but what if I told you? You don't need traditional experience to get hired anymore. All you need is the ability to handle AI, and that can open doors to real jobs. Most people struggle to get their first job because companies ask for experience. But the truth is, in today's world, knowing how to use AI tools like ChatGPT can cover that gap. Employers are not just looking for degrees, they are looking for skills, problem solving, and results. Here's how AI can help you get opportunities even as a beginner. Skill building on demand. With ChatGPT, you can learn new skills quickly. Whether it's digital marketing, content writing, data analysis, or customer support, AI can act as your personal trainer. Portfolio creation. Even without experience, you can build a sample portfolio using AI. For example, create blog posts, design social media content, or generate business strategies with ChatGPT and showcase them as your work. Professional communication. AI can help you write professional emails, proposals, and resumes that sound polished and confident, even if you're just starting out. Problem solving. In interviews, you can demonstrate how you use AI to find solutions quickly, making you stand out from other beginners. Freelancing and remote work. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr don't always require past experience. With AI, you can deliver quality work and grow your reputation from scratch. Instead of saying, "I don't have experience," you can say, "I know how to use AI to get things done faster and better." That's a powerful statement that employers respect. Remember, companies value efficiency and results, and AI knowledge makes you valuable even without a long work history. Freelancing and remote work. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr don't always require past experience. With AI, you can deliver quality work and grow your reputation from scratch. So the future belongs to those who know how to work with AI. If you understand tools like ChatGPT, you can land jobs, grow your skills, and build a career, even without prior experience. That's the power of AI. This was part 5 of our series. In the next part, we'll dive even deeper into real-world AI job examples. Make sure you subscribe to How To or Do so you don't miss it.